Presenting the Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds, 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 HEMA DSV-VT included, active noise control system 180 amp alternator heavy-duty engine cooling gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds dual rear exhaust with bright tips Hemi badge, tires, 275/55 R20 all-season LRR, diesel gray black deluxe cloth bucket seats included, power 8-way driver seat bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat full-length floor console power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, quick order package 25Z Bighorn included, engine 5.7 LV8 HEMA DSV-VT.